Hello everyone! Welcome to my English speaking practice lesson. In today's video, you'll listen to a natural conversation between a man and a woman after work. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat each sentence to improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence. Let's begin!
David, how are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I just finished work.
That's nice. How was your day at the office?
It was quite busy. I had 3 meetings and lots of emails to reply to.
That sounds exhausting.
It was, but I'm happy because I finished all my work before leaving.
That's awesome. My day was pretty busy too.
Really? What kept you busy?
I worked on a new project with my team. We shared lots of ideas during our meeting.
Nice. Was the meeting productive?
Yes, everyone contributed some great suggestions.
That's wonderful. Teamwork always makes a difference.
I completely agree. So, what are your plans after work?
I'm thinking about going to the gym.
That's a great habit. How often do you work out?
Usually 4 times a week.
Wow, I'm impressed.
It helps me stay healthy and keeps my stress level low.
I really should start exercising too.
You definitely should. Even a 30-minute walk every day can make a big difference.
You're absolutely right.
Do you have any plans for this evening?
Yes, I'm meeting my brother for dinner.
That sounds nice. Where are you guys going?
We're trying a new restaurant downtown.
I've heard the food there is amazing.
I hope so. I'm really looking forward to it.
What kind of food do they serve?
Mostly Italian dishes like pizza and pasta.
Yum! I love Italian food.
Me too. What's your favorite dish?
Definitely chicken pasta.
Mine has to be pepperoni pizza.
That sounds delicious.
So, what will you do after the gym?
I'll head home, take a shower, and relax with a movie.
That sounds like the perfect evening.
It really is. I need some rest after such a busy day.
Do you watch movies every night?
Not really. Mostly on weekends or whenever I have some free time.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I love action and comedy movies.
I prefer mystery and science fiction.
That's interesting. We have different tastes.
Looks like we do.
Do you have any plans for this weekend?
I'm thinking about going hiking with a few friends.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It is. We enjoy spending time outdoors.
I'd love to join you someday.
Of course. You're always welcome.
Thanks, David.
You're welcome.
It was really nice talking with you.
It was great talking with you too.
Have a wonderful dinner.
Thank you. Enjoy your workout.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.